Hey all you well-protected folks out there, this is Jolan from Sophos Support, and today we're using the Sophos Zap tool to uninstall Sophos endpoint or server protection software from a Windows device. Now we always recommend uninstalling Sophos through programs and features first, but if you do run into issues and need other means of removal, the Zap tool will remove Sophos with a simple command prompt command and a reboot. Now the Zap tool is designed to remove Sophos protection software, but won't remove utility or management softwares like AD-Sync or Enterprise Console. Note that Sophos Zap will actually fail if those products are installed on the system showing these error messages, so you'll need to remove those products manually. To see a full list of product cans and cannots, check out the documentation link in the video description. Let's get started. So first thing we'll need to do is disable tamper protection. I've got the password shown in Sophos Central off screen, so I'll go ahead and input that in the admin login section. Once we're in, we'll click on settings and toggle the slider for tamper protection to off. Now, if you're having troubles with tamper protection, check out the KBA in the video description for further information. Next, let's go ahead and download the Zap tool. We'll head to the Zap tool KBA to get the download link for the executable file. The link for that will be available in the video description. Once we click the link, we'll accept the EULA, complete the compliance form, and hit submit. Now this will download the zip file holding the executable, but we're not going to be able to run that executable directly. We'll need to run it through an admin command prompt. Let's go ahead and hit save as, and for easy access in the command line, let's create a folder on the C drive for this file. Now let's go ahead and launch the admin command prompt. I'll search CMD in the Windows search bar. Let's right click command prompt, click run as admin, and yes to the UAC prompt. Now before we run any commands, keep in mind the machine will need to reboot in this process, so make sure it's an appropriate time to do so. Also, once we reboot, we will need to run the command again to fully remove the product. In the terminal, let's navigate to the directory we saved the file to by typing cd c:\\Sophos Zap in our case, or cd to wherever you chose, and press enter. Now that we're in the folder, let's run the Zap tool by typing Sophos Zap -- confirm and press enter. Now this will take a few minutes to run. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to reboot and re-execute. Let's go ahead and reboot. Once we're back in, we'll launch the admin command prompt again. Let's navigate back to that same folder and run the Zap tool one more time. Now once that's done, you're good to go, but if you are uninstalling in attempt to reinstall or install another Sophos product, we do recommend that you give the machine one more reboot before the new install. So thanks for watching everyone. If you had any further questions, feel free to check out the Sophos Zap documentation links in the video description or view and post questions at community.sophos.com. That's it for me today. Stay safe out there.